Everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This is Everyday Chick, and I am here with another video to show you guys this look that I have here. Nothing too crazy. It's normal, like a simple look with my Youth Beauty hair in. And I show you guys my outfit that I put together today as well. I do have a couple meetings and stuff to go to today, or I have a lot of running around and like businessy stuff that I have to do, so I guess I would look businessy. It's a little bit colder, so that's why I do have like a long sleeve on. I will probably bring a jacket as well, but I'm not gonna do too much rambling. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All my details about this hair will be in the description box. I will have another separate video just on this hair if you guys are interested in this hair, because girl, this hair is like a mood. Like, look at that. That is just like, ugh, I love this hair. But again, do not forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe, and please push that bell notification button so you stay up to date with all the uploads that I have coming. I know it's been a minute since I've been on here, but I've just been doing a lot of behind the scenes work, and now I'm ready to come back on camera. But we're gonna go ahead and get right. Now, to do my brows today, I use the Morphe pomade in the color Chocolate Mousse. I have a couple of them that I use, and this is the one that I just happened to use today. I've been going through like a lot of my old makeup and a lot of my old, I guess, clothing and stuff, trying to renovate. It's winter time. It's when you clean out your closets. And I found the Professional primer, falling all in love with it all over again. But I'm gonna put a little bit on my hand and go ahead and evenly distribute that on my face. It leaves my skin really smooth, I guess, and ready just for a foundation. And that's just why I love it so much. Yeah. Today I'm going to use an Old Faithful because I do have to go to a little meeting and I will be running around, so I need my makeup to be bulletproof. I'm going to use my NARS Creamy Radiant Foundation. Oh, Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. I'm in the color Carrascos. Yeah. C-A-R-A-C-A-S. Carrascos. That's what it's going to be today. I'm going to pump about 4 little pumps on my hand. And then I'm going to use the butt of the Beauty Blender, pat it on there, and then I'm going to distribute it on my face. Sometimes I use like a foundation brush and then distribute it on my face or my finger, and then I blend it out. I feel like, in all honesty, it doesn't matter which way you do it. Kind of works out the same. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. There we go. Now you can see based off this side and this side. So this side has foundation on it, and this side of my face does not. So you can see this blemish here, and you're gonna watch it just disappear. Look at that. Blemish gone. And I make sure I get my nose too. I've put foundation on before and forgot my nose. Use the same one I use on my eyebrows. It is the Makeup Revolution 613 one, and I'm gonna dip it in there and make little triangles under my eyeballs. And we're gonna just blend that out. I make sure when I blend out under my eyes that I look down. It helps stretch my eyeballs out to make sure that it's no creasing, or minimal to no creasing. I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder to bake, or I guess to set. I'm not really going to bake today. Kind of going to just pack that in under my eyeballs. And now I guess to bring some color back into my face, because I look a little pale right now, my Studio Pro contour palette. If anybody has another palette, like their go-to contour palette that's a powder, not a cream, let me know in the description box below, because I am looking for another one. I'm not a big cream contour type of girl. That's just not my thing. I have a bunch of cream contours and I don't use any of them because I really don't know how. I don't know how to control it, like to make sure it doesn't get too, I don't know. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, but gonna use this third shade here and move my baby hair out of the way and go ahead and get in there. And now on this side here, you can see it went up a little bit further than what I wanted. So I'm going to go ahead with my same beauty blender that I just baked with, or that I had my concealer and stuff on. And I'm kind of going to just control that down. And then I'm going to put some on the bottom too, just in case it might have ran over a little bit. My Fit Me loose powder, and I'm in the color medium. And then I'm going to put it, don't really know how to explain this, but I'm going to put a little bit onto the side of my beauty blender and put it here, like the reverse contour, I guess, to control that bottom contour. And then I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put my lashes on off camera just because it's really hard for me to put them on camera, and I'll be right back. I use this powder brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to dip it into my Black Opal finishing powder in the color dark brown, and I'm gonna kind of just dust this off. I don't really like this brush that much, but I can't find, yeah, I can actually. So I'm gonna use this flat brush here, and I'm gonna kind of pack slash dust off. So I'm gonna pack the Black Opal one and dust off the Laura Mercier one. And what I do to one side, I'm gonna do to the other side. Now for the middle of my eyebrows, per usual, I take a brush and I kind of just, I don't know how to describe that, but I do that. I dust in the middle. And then that's pretty much my setting spray, so that it doesn't crease anywhere or nowhere stays too wet. And it also just kind of feels good. Now, my lips. I haven't done this in a while, but when I do have a brown lip, I use the, it's just a normal Java Bean. It's a $1 liner from the beauty supply. I'm not buying no $7 liner to just line my lips up with. I get this from my local beauty supply, anywhere that I can find it, in the dark brown, Java Bean, dark brown, dark chocolate, that's the color I'm getting. And I line my lips. And then I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty and Fenty Glow. And I have a dark brown lip. Pretty much it. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to have to go to my car because I need my eyeliner to do my moles. Or do I not want moles today? Moles or no moles? That's the question of the hour. I don't know. Now my favorite, while I think about if I'm going to do moles or not, my favorite, what is this called? Mascara for my bottom liner is this one here. It's the Great Lash by Maybelline. It's crazy because my grandmother used to use this one all the time. And I used to always make fun of her because I'm like, why don't you buy another one? But now this is the only one that I buy to use on my bottom lashes now. Now that I've started to use it, I realize why she loves it so much, or why she loved it so much, because she doesn't really wear makeup like that anymore. But I'm gonna take it, go ahead, and I'm gonna go put on my bottom lashes. Finished eye, or my finished makeup look. I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands before I do my hair, since my hair is 613. So give me 1 second, let me wash this puppy. Dressed now. So now I always do my hair while I finish my hair, I guess, after I get dressed, only because I know I gotta put my shirt on and stuff. But I'm gonna just go ahead and run through my hair with my flat iron that I got from Red. It is the 1.5 inches. It has the little pusher like this. I love it. Like, I love the flat iron as itself. It does get hot. It doesn't get as hot. Like, it doesn't get hot as fast as I would like it to, though. So maybe that's because it's ceramic and not titanium. I normally get titanium flat irons, but when I went and bought this one, I just happened to have been on like a little bit of a budget. So then, yeah, that's how we end up with this here. That's pretty much, can you see me? That's pretty much it. I mean, is this too high? There we go. Maybe I should. That's pretty much it. I will show you guys my outfit. Something really simple from, where is this from? My whole outfit is from Ross, but my turtleneck, just a simple white little turtleneck, and then my bottoms are like a plaid-ish type of deal. I do have a belt on just because I do have a little bit of a gap without the belt. And then shoes that I'll be wearing are these little, I guess, penny loafer looking shoes here. They're a little dusty, they need to be wiped off. I was going to wear heels, but I know I got to do a lot of walking, so heels are not the move today. Yeah. And now I am going to try to leave my hair tucked behind my ears. Since the hair is so light, I don't want people to get distracted with the hair as opposed to everything else that I have going on. And now the little purse that I'm going to be wearing is just this little red little number here. Very simple. Got it from DSW. It was from Steve Madden. I believe it was like 40 bucks. And it does come with a strap here. I probably will wear the strap because I will be walking around. But that's pretty much all I have to show you guys today. But do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next upload. Bye.